Welcome. I'm Shannon. This is Alley 26. This is another installment in our ongoing Mixology at Home series featuring lots of our products here. And right now we have a new syrup. It's the blood orange syrup, which is delicious and I'm sure will open the imagination for lots and lots of uses. It's pretty simple and really white label in that it's blood orange, sugar, and water. Those are the ingredients. And so we thought, what can we make something that is really pretty straightforward, easy to make at home, and we'll showcase that flavor in a cocktail that's not terribly sweet. So we're calling this one Over the Bow, and it is a mix of Durham Distillery's Conniption American Dry, the Aperol, Aperitivo, and our blood orange syrup from here at Alley 26. If you're a really big juniper gin lover, get a big juniper gin. The American Dry is a soft and kind of easy modern style of gin, and it's a good kind of gateway gin for folks that aren't always the biggest, like, there's too piney for me. American Dry is your gin. So that's what this cocktail is. If you like to tweak it, tweak it. But let's make it as we've talked about, and it's a half an ounce of the syrup. As I said, it's made with real stuff, blood orange, sugar, water. So sometimes our syrups something will fall out of suspension, so just tip it over a couple of times or give it a quick shake to kind of reintegrate everything. And half an ounce of the syrup. Half an ounce of Aperol. And half an ounce of an ounce and a half of the gin. I'm going to use this small side of the jigger, even though it's only an ounce. I'm going to just use another half an ounce this way. That way, I've cleaned out the jigger of all that delicious syrup and Aperol, so it's all in my mixing glass instead of stuck to the jigger. Some nice large format cold cubes. And let's shake it up. I'm going to garnish this with a dehydrated orange slice. And there you go, Over the Bow. Enjoy.